Here's a little video of juggling bikes around when you're working by yourself with nobody else to help, because that somebody else is on vacation for a month up in Colorado where it's cool, and I'm down here in the heat. Anyway, this is just fun. The green bike's going to come over here where I'm standing right now, and the yellow bike is going to go over here on the lift facing out. Facing out is fraught with danger. Fraught, I say fraught, because you have to hold it vertical while you walk around to the crank on the lift. There's wonderful opportunities for disaster there. So let's just do a little bike juggling, just for the heck of it. Let's take this one out and put it up here in the corner to get it out of the way. I'll move it a little farther. Interesting, this new rubber mats make it a little harder to push the bikes across. Strange. All right, so let's spin this guy around and see what happens. When you're moving bikes around in a shop, it's very interesting how much heavier Nortons are than Triumphs and BSAs. Substantially heavier. And these early models have a very short turning radius. The swing is not a lot compared to the later models. They always want to flop over. Notice the death grip I have on these handlebars. It's one thing to move your own bike around. It's quite another thing to move a client bike around. Okay. All right, the swap is done. Yellow bike's up there. Green bike's over here. I'm going to go over there and clean off the floor under the the green bike, so I can make sure that anything on the floor was not left over from a previous bike sitting there. Okay, that was fun.